Digital Islamic course free for schools. Islamic future of children is our responsibility. The course is developed digitally. Visit the website taaleem.education. Smart class is required to use this Islamic course. The course will be taught in class via the website. There is also a teacher guide for the Islamic course. Students will practice the lessons at home throughout the website. Students have to pay monthly website fee. A discount code will be provided to the school by the website. Watch the video on the website for course details. Contact WhatsApp +91 824 780 2086. The course has been designed and developed by Sheikh Ahmed Bin Mahfooz Madani, Hyderabad, India. Share to all.